Hello everyone, I, Suchitra Khatri, would like to ask few questions on the topic self-worth to Dr. Nisha Vashne. Hello ma'am.
Hi Suchitra.
Ma'am, my first question is that what is self-worth?
Suchitra, self-worth, as the name itself is talking about worth, meaning how do you feel about yourself, the feeling that you possess for yourself, happy, sad, right, wrong, confused, clear, what do you think of yourself is called self-worth. Do you think that you are living your life purposefully, or do you have some regrets in your life? So sometimes these questions confuse us, and those who are clear on these questions that yes, my life is purposeful and I am living it happily, so these people know their self-worth.
Yes ma'am, you have correctly pointed out that self-worth emerges from the very small feelings that we hold in ourselves, and sometimes we are even ignorant of those feelings. This makes me think that are such small feelings even important to us? The small little feelings that we carry every day for my own self.
Yes, why not? Feelings and emotions only make us and break us. There are moods. They give us, sense of completion. So every feeling about you, suppose you do a very small task. Assume you just make a cup of tea and offer it to someone to whom you don't know. You just go out and offer that tea to someone, and now start thinking what kind of a happiness you have for yourself. Yes, you have done some good task today. So that feeling of happiness and sense of completion, my day was worth it, I have done something good. So that feeling comes from various ways. So you have to decide which task help you to giving that happiness.
Ma'am, these feelings keeps on changing. Right now I'm happy. After a moment I can be sad about the same thing that I'm doing. Maybe I'm expecting an outcome out of serving somebody a tea, and I do not get that outcome and I'm unhappy about it. Then where does that self-worth goes then? If I depend upon feelings, those are changing every moment.
So here you have to filter out your feelings and your happiness. I mean to say that you have to filter out what all task you are more engaged in and that makes you worthy, meaning and hundred of tasks are there every day that we have to do, but there are few tasks which feel as ki my day will have this and I feel very good at that time while doing it. It could be a cooking, it could be a cleaning, or it could be a just listening music. So that feeling you have to identify. Mainly what happens is this: many people even do not know what makes them happy. So to identify those feelings and to give them appropriate time and to enhance your skill. I'm not here, of course, hobby will include in that, but that skill, if you improve in that particular hobby or in career or in everyday task, so that will also improve your confidence in making your self-worth.
Thank you, ma'am, for pointing out that everyone has the capacity to filter out. Everyone has the capacity to identify the feeling that they want to focus at. Not every minor trigger that happens into our heart or mind. Now, this comes that, for example, that there's a feeling that I like and I pursue it and I get it every time when I do X work. It can be anything, but after a point, when I've reached to a certain stage, that work stops me giving that feeling, or any other work stops making me feel worthy, in which I have reached to a proficient level or a skillful level. Then, achieving all those good things in my career, despite achieving, I mean, all those good things in career, I'm not able to see worth or happiness in my life. I even connect worth with happiness. Yeah.
So here I have to correct you. What I have experienced, that whatever I have filtered out, that this is my area of happiness and I am going it, and once, as you have mentioned, that you have achieved that skill or that level, now you have stopped feeling happiness. So I don't think so. For a momentary period, yes, it could be some task which is not liking you and you are feeling low. But see, what you have decided for yourself will definitely give you happiness whenever you will do it. Sometimes, due to mood swings or due to some external reasons, you may not feel happy at that time, but I don't think so. Whatever you have filtered out, whatever you have chosen, and you know that this gives me happiness. So 95% while you will do that task will definitely give you the happiness. So here you have to, I think, explore more about yourself, that this is particular thing which I feel gives me happiness, and if I improve and work in this particular area will give me sense of completeness, which makes my self-worth.
So here the focus right now is that finding out that particular aspect of your own self that makes you feel good right now, and then pursuing it, and keeping it close to yourself, and to not rely on small little feelings and triggers of life, rather to see it as a long term thing. I think that
Yes,
you're
you
going
have to
on.
see on the broader aspect, okay, not on the small obstacles that come in between. Fine. So if assume my objective or aim is to be a very good doctor, right? So here a good doctor means in terms of monetary terms or in terms of the satisfaction. So if you have taken the path that you want to make your patients happy and you want to heal them, so there may be possibility that you will not get that amount of money which other doctors are getting, and on that ground you start comparing yourself. No, you are not worthful, because society or might be your family members will ask you that you don't make that much money as compared to the other doctors, but you know that you are a right good doctor because you make your patients satisfied with your treatment and they bless you for that. So here you have to see, compare, and at the end of the day in your heart it comes out, no, whatever I am doing it, I'm doing it for my self-worth, and I think this is more important for me.
So basically, what you have said is that faith in your own self will be the key of self worth. That I have faith in my own self.
Yes, faith in yourself, or you can say believe in yourself. Yes, I am doing it, and my belief in my, and I'm clear, I am maybe slow, I am facing the obstacles, whatever I am doing it, but whatever I am doing, I feel that this is good for me and it gives me happiness and satisfaction.
Thank you, ma'am, for such a beautiful discussion over this important topic, self worth. For further teleconsultations, you can contact us. Thank you.
Thank you, Suchitra.